Alex, can I ask you something honestly?
Of course, Sarah. What's on your mind?
I said, I am agree in a meeting today,
Ah,
and I immediately knew it was wrong.
that happens more often than you think.
It sounded so unprofessional.
It's a common mistake
Why do so many people say it?
because they translate directly from their native language.
So what should I say instead?
Just say, I agree.
That's it?
That's it.
No am?
No am. Agree is a verb.
So I can't use am before a verb.
Not in this case.
Wow, that's such a small mistake.
Small mistakes can change your professional image.
That's scary.
Don't worry, let's go through more common ones.
Please, I need this.
Okay, mistake number 2.
I'm ready.
Discuss about.
Oh no, I say that.
Many professionals do.
What's wrong with it?
Discuss already includes about.
So I should say,
Let's discuss the project.
not discuss about the project.
Exactly.
That sounds cleaner.
And more confident.
What's next?
Return back.
I've used that in emails all the time.
Just say return.
Because return already means go back.
Correct.
So please return the document.
Perfect.
I feel exposed right now.
Don't. Everyone makes these mistakes.
What's mistake number 4?
He don't.
Oh, yes, that one is common
It should be he doesn't.
because of third person singular.
Exactly.
That small s matters.
Very much in professional English.
Okay, what else?
Myself, Sarah.
Oh,
Especially in introductions.
so wrong.
Yes, just say, I'm Sarah.
That sounds more natural.
Much more.
Keep going. I'm learning.
I didn't went.
That hurts
It should be, I didn't go.
because did already shows past tense.
Exactly. The verb stays in base form.
This is so helpful.
Here's another one.
Tell me.
More better.
Oh no.
Just say better.
Because better already means more good.
Yes.
I feel like I've said all of these before.
That's normal.
What's mistake number 8?
Revert back.
I use that in emails all the time.
Just say revert or reply.
Please revert.
Or better, please reply.
That sounds clearer. 2 more to go?
Yes.
I'm ready.
Do one thing.
I say that.
Native speakers don't usually say that.
So what should I say?
Here's what we can do.
That sounds smoother.
Very professional.
And the last one?
Kindly do the needful.
That's common in formal emails.
It sounds outdated and unclear.
So what's better?
Please take the necessary action.
That sounds modern.
And internationally professional.
I didn't realize these small mistakes matter so much,
They don't make you bad at English.
but they affect perception.
Exactly.
So it's not about big vocabulary.
It's about small corrections.
I feel more aware now.
Awareness builds confidence.
I'm going to stop saying I am agree
Good start.
and no more discuss about.
Excellent.
This makes me feel more professional already.
Because clear English builds strong presence.
Thank you, Alex.
Anytime, Sarah.
And to everyone listening,
Fix small grammar mistakes.
they make a big difference.